Today we're going to bring you PlayStation 5 fans. Now, if you ever have an issue of overheating, or maybe you have your PlayStation 5 somewhere that's a little hot, you want to make sure you have enough air in the intakes, all right? So we're going to set this up today, and there's 3 different fans. And of course, you don't lose your power, your USB in here. You'll actually get one, but you are going to cover some of the actual PlayStation. And of course, you're gonna give them one USB Type 3. So you're going to gain another one here. It's just pretending like it's a hub. That's pretty much it. Right below it, you're going to get a high and low and off button. All right. That's for the fans, so you see it. And they actually have LED lights. So we're going to set it up today and see how well and snug they fit in the actual PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and do that. All you got to do is make sure that you have the intakes, right? And this is where you're going to need you're going to need one USB, which is the top one on the top. All right. And then all you got to do is make sure that this it has a little latch here where it says the lock. You see the little latch right here. This is it. And to release it, it's pretty much you just push up. So let's go ahead and put this in place. Place it, USB first, lock it in, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So it's snug in there. And we're going to turn it on, of course. Plug it in. PlayStation 5. This is the light indicating that it's on high, and of course we're going to put it low, and you're going to see the light changes. So low, high. It's kind of hard because the low button, I got a sausage finger, so that's low, and this is off. You don't want the fans on because they're kind of noisy sometimes. But if you're underneath the desk, you're not going to hear this. Super high, and that's the PlayStation 5 cooling fan. So very simple, easy to install, easy to use, easy to turn on. I hope you guys enjoy the video.